MeghalayaPost.news.
Kadba nang mi kisngi kipor Jingïalehkai sports bo phebra ha Jylla jungi kila nang Kiew state ba wala kadai ha ka football ka cricket kinong kingling kinong kiulom kinong yakura bat kibai ha ka ba kirang bagi thei samla kila juban ra buram ru ya ka Jylla mana kapor menta ka kentiru na kalyang Meghalaya Post ha ka jingbut din ulalap sa yubai samla rang ba ubade na ka jat mendem garo ubashong basa halang keding shillong Uni samla rang ba umdei tang bu Jingïalehkai hendai udeiru unohikai ubala apau baru baningkong badai naga Jylla Meghalaya banlong unohikai ya kibai pat ki jat Jingïalehkai ka bah ka Jylla jungi ki breu kum juda kham ple jingmot than namar la jutip yaka kum ka Jingïalehkai ki men duspa ka bah ki jutip pat ba kum ka Jingïalehkai golf Uni samla rang ba ubala apau kum unohikai ya ka jingtiet golf Yo belatip kerteng kumu John Will G. Momin, belayo bat ya ke license B, kumu unohikai, tiet golf, udayu belahe lasan ha shillong golf link. Bat ngin sengap menta, syapang ke khana jungu. Uban sabatai bha, daladi syapang kumno, la pelong yu ban kwa bonlong, uta unong tiet golf, bat ki egi jing'e ke ba usyem ha ke jing'e linti ke jungi, haduk benda poi sendan bonlong, unohikai, bat ki egi jing temu ke jungu, nang ni syakmat.
Mentah kini tinggal inti jongi bat ni hai khmat ru cha ka Jingïalehkai sport sapo Jylla Meghalaya habang idon iwe isam larang ba napo ini resnong lang kerding hapo East Kasil district ibade ru kum uwe naki nong hikai lani coach kum bagi ong haka Jingïalehkai ka bangim da kham ya hai khmat ba naki samla Jingïalehkai jongi kata ka diga golf bat ide ru samla ibala pendap sian ya ka grade C ka coaching jongi napo ka National Golf Academy of India ya ide John Will G. Momin bat ngin yo ban yakren ba ikhndiat spangkan ka Jingïalehkai ba khamlong pher namta jongi khamtami ki khun samla bikin phai khmat alokan ka Jingïalehkai wat ngi dok kum ka Jylla ngi ide ru ka Jylla ka ba pau phai Jingïalehkai na ru ka football kum borok ngitip ka cricket kelas manang Kiew susu de mentang ngi don ru ban phai khmat khdiat chakan ni kaliang pat jong kas bol tingin yo ban yakren ba ikhndiat bat in yo bat batai benia cái này Jingïalehkai cái jing mentoy naka bat kumno kikna kila ban phai khmat kene Jingïalehkai bat kintiu ru bat kinpoi ru Olympic kumba I samla I don ya kata jing angnut ba ikna kinpoi saka national game injuru Olympic introduce yam cepat ba iba page ya kene ka channel kumno piwan benjit ya kene Jingïalehkai.
It's because I stay next to the golf course. I was studying in Stephen Memorial School and I was a neighbor to the coach and a golf player, late Ïohlad, late Papa Shering, and I grew up with their son, with their grandson. So we are friends, and we see Papa Shering and late Ïohlad. They used to go play golf, and so we sometimes get an opportunity. His grandsons used to take out stakes balls, so we used to go play along with them. And slowly I start getting some interest in this, so I start following, seeing how late Ïohlad used to teach student. And I still remember his student was Dafi Shulai. At that time she was around maybe 15 to 16 years. So I used to follow late Ïohlad, and he used to love me like he treat me like his own son. And I still remember he gave me 9 iron and 21 balls to keep with me for the day, in which I practice with that stick and I start playing with that stick. So in the evening I handed over the stick to late Ïohlad, and he taught me one thing, which in the recently C category coach, where I was just having my classes in Pune, I have come across that the trigger part in golf has not been introduced by nobody. I don't know, nobody talks about trigger, but what late Ïohlad taught me about the trigger, I am like, I can't believe that nobody has known about that. It is been known, but I have known about the trigger in ways 19 it will be in 2002 or 2004. I finished my D categories in 2024, and I got my certificate in 2024. And the reason why I try to get more knowledge into golf and choose to go for C, it's because D category is just an apprentice. It's just we teach basics. We don't go deep in golf. And C, we start going deep with the ball movement, why the ball is curving, why the ball is going right, why is the ball going left, and the club, what the club is doing, why the ball, what can the club make the ball do, and your body movement, and what your body need to do, what not. This small mechanics are there in golf. Golf actually, it's little bit science. It's very like attached to this game, because or muscles or wrist or head, knee, shoulder blade, everything need to be like balanced in the position. So I learned many things in this C category, and the knowledge which I gain, I have never known to this knowledge which I also get in this C category. This knowledge, it it's it will be very tough for me to explain to, like a golfer who is newly played, because yes, people who are with a single handicap, they will understand all the ball flights laws, in swing, pre swing, deep lane, you know and we learn many things deep in golf. Now I'm looking forward after 2 years, because I won't be able to go for the next B category now directly. I have to wait for 2 years, then I can go for B category. So I'll learn many things in that B category, and after B I have to wait another 2 years to go for A. So it will, I got another 6 to 7 years to complete my coaching. So to learn more, actually, to acquire more knowledge. But so far, what I learned, it's like 40% of knowledge in golf. As we can see, there are tremendous changes in sports. So government are coming up with new initiative, sponsorship, and there are lots of tournaments coming up now. We are having a national game also. So in this view, I will suggest to our youths, but like come forward. Hopefully, yes, you can get selected or you might not get selected. But this is an opportunity, that to grab this opportunity. Honestly, from my heart, I'm saying that this is the best opportunity for the youths of Meghalaya to come forward, grab this opportunity. I understand it's very expensive game. It's an elite game, and but in Shillong, you need to spend a lakh for a golf kit. You can get 80,000, 90,000 a golf kit. Coaching, yes, it's very expensive. Uh, it depends on what kind of coaches you're looking at. But as I have become a C category now, why my people from this state need to spend more money going outside? So I can guide my people. So I want, if anyone interested from our state, Meghalaya, especially youths, so I'm going to give my free time in a free to my people. Meghalaya, actually, we are very lucky. We have our own golf course, and we need to pay 17,000 in a year, and we have a director in charge golf, Sir Hector Marwin. So he had called a national NGI free coaching camp in Shillong, which is very helpful. Most of the people have come and joined, and he, under his guidance, he allowed 2 months free coaching in the course, plus they can come and practice, especially or to our own people. So lucky, we are so lucky that we are having that kind of facilities given by the golf course. Because most of the golf course outside of Meghalaya itself, you have to spend 3,000, 4,000. It's very expensive outside, but in Meghalaya itself, such we are getting opportunity from the golf club itself, that the director is allowing 2 months free coaching and giving 2 months to practice on the course. So it's a blessing and or people should come and take this advantage. I'll request parents first that golf, it is an elite game, plus it teach many things, like how to live your life in golf. Truly, golf actually teach you how to live your life. Like golf, it's something like, our ball need to stay in the fairway. It should not cross the boundaries. Same way in life, we should not cross the boundaries. We should be in the fairway. We should we should follow the rules. We should follow the rules of golf, and we should live our life abiding the law. Same like that. So in that way, I'll suggest parents actually, because I've seen many parents, they still believe that golf is very expensive game, which is not. You can buy a golf kit for 80,000, 1,20,000, and you can get a membership here in Shillong Golf Course for 17,000 annually. And I believe for student it's something lesser than that. So and I even I promise to the parents and to the youth of Meghalaya who want to pick up this sports, I'm gonna give my free service to you, and I'm gonna train you. If you require my help, I'm gonna give under the leadership of Shillong Golf Club with the guidance of Sir Hector Marwain. He's very interested in developing this sports, and he have more vision for this sports. So I look forward to work with everyone to promote this sports. As per my knowledge, so golf will be held in Shillong only, and I'm so thankful to this government, plus our honorable chief minister, and he put so much interest in. I have seen, like, let's not politicize this, and but as a sports person, I have seen tremendous change in sports under his leadership. And scholarship also, we have never received scholarship ever in my life also, but we played national Meghalaya games. We get 15,000 of scholarship if you win gold. So I have received silver. I have recently I got gold in Meghalaya games. So even that amount of money, it really helps. Ïangi, and yes, golf actually, I learned that it will be held in Shillong, but the preparation and all, it's up to the association now what they are up to. But the government is very keen to host the sports in Shillong. Coming down for sponsorship, if I happen to go play, I look for sponsorship. So for national games, we state governments sponsor us little bit, like the associations, and or honorable MP Saleng Isangma, he sponsors little bit. And for this certification course, I would like to thank Sir James K. Sangma. He sponsored me, and our honorable minister, this Ïohlad, he sponsored me. And for the previous, we have sponsorship. Yes, I charge 500 per hour. I have 5 to 6 students here in Shillong, and I have Guwahati also. I do coach there, so I charge 6,000 for one session there in Guwahati. And I teach in railway golf course in Guwahati also. So I teach in IAM also. I teach army people, army personnel, air force. So I tie up. So I'm freelance, like I go everywhere with whoever need my requirement of my service. Expectation, to be honest, we need to start now, because nothing is impossible. I swear, nothing is impossible. You want something, you work from today, you get it. It's just in your mindset that we'll get or we'll lose or we'll win. Sports, you lose, you win. but never give up. And I believe that if we start from today, we still have a lot of time. We will get it, but we need to be 100% dedicated to this. That if we say that we are going to get it, we have to start now, and we'll have to work from now. The moment you say that yes, if you have a confidence of doing it, you'll do it. So nothing is impossible. It's just I have played this game a lot, but the opportunity which I get, it's not up to the mark. So I played most of the golf course in India. We struggle a lot with the greens. The greens there are like snooker board. It's smooth. It's like, it rolls so smoothly. Out here, all course, we have little bit. We have a blade grass actually, so we need carpet grass to have that kind of feel. So, but yes, we struggle a lot on the greens outside. But if we start from today, practicing and teaching and learning, we can do it. We expect this is our home course. Yeah, we have been playing here for more than 20 years. We know what to do, what not to do. We just need, little bit focus, start working now, we'll achieve. And I have seen Meghalaya youths are very talented. It's just luckily we have a government now that giving us opportunity more, what you want to do, what business, entrepreneur, sports. We are getting a platform now. So I've seen many changes in youths also. Yes, but sadly, most of the youths are involved in drugs and all. So I feel so sorry for them. And like, yes, government also taking very strong initiative to curb the maintenance of drugs. But I'll suggest to the youth of Meghalaya, choose sports, not drugs.
MeghalayaPost.news.